Let's take up IUPAC naming of organic compounds. First, we are going to take up IUPAC system of nomenclature of aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds means which are open chain. The name of organic compound is made up of two parts. First one is called word root. The word root represents the number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain. For a chain of carbon atoms up to 4, special word roots are used. But for chains having more than 4 carbon atoms, Greek numerals are used. Penta for 5, hexa for 6, hepta for 7, octa for 8, and so on. C1 we use the word root METH, meth, ETH for C2, prop we use for 3, but for 4, pent for 5, hex for 6, hept for 7, 8, oct, non, nonane or non is used for 9. For 10 we use dec, undec for 11. For 12 dudec, 13 tridec. For 18 we'll call it octadec. For 20 it is icos. And for 30 tricontain. There are two types of suffix, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Primary suffix is used to show saturation or unsaturation in the carbon atom. Primary suffix is added to the word root. Some primary suffix are as follows. If we have saturated carbon chain, that is all are single bonds, primary suffix is A and E. If there is unsaturated carbon chain containing one carbon-carbon double bond, the suffix is ENE. If there are two carbon-carbon double bond, we call it a diene. Di means two, ene means double bond. If we have three double bonds, we call it a triene. Triene means three double bonds. And one carbon-carbon triple bond is called YNE. And two carbon-carbon triple bond is called a diene. Secondary suffix, it is used to indicate functional group if present in an organic compound. Secondary suffix is added to primary suffix by dropping its terminal letter. If the name of secondary suffix starts with consonant, then the terminal E of the primary suffix is not dropped. Terminal E is also retained if some numerical prefixes like di, tri, etc. are used before secondary suffix. Prefix is the part of the name which is added before the word root or before secondary suffix as need be. Some commonly used prefixes are, for example, for alkane, these are alkanes, and alkyl, methyl, this will become methyl. It is also denoted by Me, and methyl is the prefix. C2H6, if one hydrogen is removed, we will get ethyl. It is represented by Et also. And ethyl is the name of this prefix. C3H8 is called, it can be called as normal propyl or isopropyl, depending upon which valency is free. Here valency of primary carbon is free, so it is called normal propyl. And here valency of secondary carbon is free, so it is called isopropyl. Isopropyl can also be called as 1-methyl ethyl. Now functional group NO is called prefix is nitroso. Family of the compound is written as RNO, and IUPAC name will be nitrosoalkane. NO2 is called nitro. RNO2 will be the family of compound and name will be nitroalkanes. OR is called alkoxy. ROR are ethers. Alkoxyalkane will be the IUPAC name. X is halo. RCl will be haloalkanes or chloroalkanes. If it is Br, it will become bromoalkanes. I will become iodoalkanes. And if it is F, we call it fluoroalkanes. All of them are called haloalkanes.